So we've already touched upon prioritization. I'll take that up right now. So prioritization, I've already told you what it is. We want to prioritize a few features, and it was developed by Intercom, which is an American company. So let's say I have three projects. I'll write down reach, impact, confidence, and effort in an Excel sheet. For example, reach is 450 users for project one. Project two has a 2000 reach, and project three has this reach. What is the impact? 1, 2, 3. So impact can be written on a 1 to 5 scale, and this scale is subjective, changes for each company. I've seen companies taking this up on a 1 to 3 scale, and I've seen companies taking this up on a 1 to 10 scale also, or even more than that. And reach is in millions, so it is number of users who can potentially use the feature or the product. And then effort, uh, I've told you that it can be in terms of man days or man hours, how many hours or how much work one team member can do in a month. So here they've taken it on a 1 to 5 scale. This was the original scale that was used by Intercom. So that is the RISE framework. Um, and you can go through this. These are some features. This is using the RISE framework on an actual prioritization activity. For example, log into the app with Face ID. This is a feature that I want to build in my app, and I've then auto suggest transactions. This is another feature, and text some other. I mean, this is I can write some other feature here. So this is um, text here is nothing basically. So these are three features that I want to prioritize, right? And I calculated all these scores, I've written them down, and I get the total to be this, which means this feature three will be prioritized. And then I'll move on to building the second feature and then the first one. That is the RISE score. For example, there can be a question that would want you to prioritize between a new product feature versus an internal tool that would be and easier in the future, right? So either building that new feature right now or building a tool that would help you build this feature and other similar features quicker and easier in the future. This can be a product prioritization question. And you can use the RISE framework here. Other prioritization frameworks, I think, have we discussed this? Yes, we have discussed the high impact and we have discussed the impact cost metric, right?
Yes.
All right, so we've discussed the impact cost metric. That was, I think we had discussed quick wins and strategic wins. We have discussed all of that. So basically, you plot your feature or your product on this chart, and you will be able to start prioritizing from there, right? That is the impact cost analysis. Then we have the SWOT analysis, which is strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. What is the strength of my feature? What are the weaknesses of this feature? What are the opportunities that I would come across if I were to build this feature? And then what are the threats to building the feature or the product? And then similar other prioritization frameworks, value versus effort, Moscow method, Kano model, opportunity scoring. All of these are other prioritization frameworks. So you can go through this. I'll share prioritization and until favorite product with you. Next, we'll be covering, designing an app. That is, here I'll design LinkedIn mobile app. And next, we'll move to metrics, product metrics questions. Right. Any questions still here, guys?